guys, I'm glad you're back. It's Heidi from Heidi'sArtStudio.com, and today we're doing all things Valentine. Well, let's get started. Here's our Friendship Seeds Valentine card project. So the first thing we're going to do is get a piece of cardstock. Now I have a cream colored. White would be perfect, but I didn't have white, so I have cream. And it's going to work. I'm going to fold it in half. I always like to use something hard and smooth without real sharp edges, just to press that crease. I'm going to cut this in half. You could also tear it in half on a ruler if you wanted to. It'll just give it more of a little rough edge, kind of a torn edge look, but it's perfectly fine. So here we have enough for two cards, two small cards. We're going to fold this one again. Get something hard and smooth to fold it. This time, we are going to use the card surface as our art surface. Take a pencil, and we're going to use this as our idea to draw from. So the center of our flowers all have hearts. So we'll start with the top one and put your pencil on the edge of the heart and just go up, curve back, and just go all the way around. Don't worry if they're not identical, it's fine. I'm going to go right below, draw another heart, and draw some more of these petals curving around. I'm going to put a line here, a little leaf, a leaf, a leaf, a leaf. Pretend I'm coming down, a leaf and a leaf. Let's draw a nice big one right here, at least bigger than what we've been doing. Now we're going to go over these pencil lines with an ink pen, so you don't have to worry about pencil lines showing. I'm going to put one right here, not as big. I'm varying the size of my hearts. I'm not making them all the same size. And I need one more over here. So in between these two, I'm going to draw another heart. And again, the petals. You can make them as thin or as thick as you want. And if you make a mistake, just remember, this is all going to be erased after we ink in everything. I'm sure they don't cost 10 cents anymore, but since they're seeds, I am going to, in bubble letter form, draw the number. Now I will make corrections a little bit like this because I'm going to fix that 0. I'm going to go like this, knowing that I'm going to go around and fix that too. And then I'm going to write right below Friendship Seeds, 2 ounces. You could put 4, you can put none, as much as you want. I'm writing plant on Valentine's Day. And then I'm going to write right below here, water daily with love. Okay, I may do some correcting, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Now, you can use a micron, you can use a black Uniball micro or fine. I have a number 8 micron, and I have a number 5 micron, and I think I'll use the 5. And I'm going to first come up here with the number 1, and I'm going to move over a little bit like this. See how I use my pencil line as a gauge, but I'm not following it exactly. It's just a guide. And I'm making my corrections. Day. And here, I'm going to move over just a little bit. Water. Daily with love. I wanted enough room for that. All right, very quickly, we will there you have it. Next step, we're going to add the color. All right, we're ready to put our color in. I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to do the yellow center of the heart first. And you know, I think this is going to be yellow too. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color in my 2 yellow areas. It's important when using markers that you use a somewhat waterproof pen. The Uniball's not 100% waterproof, but if you let it dry after you trace over your pencil lines and wait a few minutes to erase, it will hold up with the markers. Micron probably is the best. There we have that. Now I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use this raspberry color. It's not quite pink, but it's a pretty purple pink. Also, if you lose any lines, and if you want them to come back and be more vibrant, you can always use a gel pen. And we might do that. I really enjoy the Jelly Roll gel pens. They're probably my favorites. They seem to last a pretty long time. Some gel pens, you know, you use them a few times and that's it. They're out of ink, but the Jelly Rolls last longer. Okay, so I have a very vibrant one there. I'm going to put blue in the center of this one. I couldn't find the exact blue. This might be. It might be the exact blue. It is. And I was searching. It's just going on top and on top in a circular motion, darkens it, layers it up, and makes it more vibrant. This is a Blue Lagoon Crayola. I'm going to grab my orange. Orange is pretty. And I'm going to put the orange over here. Do you see how I turn this? The reason I do that, I don't want my hand to smear and while it's still wet. It can smear, so I don't want to do that. Okay, some red. And we have red here. Of course, you don't have to follow the color choices I have. You can do your own color combinations. If you were making these for a project where you want to give out Valentine cards, these are a very fast, quick, and easy way to do it. You can make quite a few. And then if I was making a lot, I probably would want to change up the coloring a little bit. That. And I'm going to go over my Friendship Seeds. Now you could do this with a gel pen if you wanted to. I kind of wanted my black to show up, that little black ink line. And with a gel pen, you'll lose your black ink line, so that's something to think about. This one is a pretty teal, so I'm going to go ahead and get the teal in. Let's get a lavender. Pretty. Oh, that purple's pretty. And then our green leaves. And we did it. If you wanted to add any gel pen, I mean, that's up to you. I just have a few colors here. It would be fun if you wanted to. You don't have to. It looks perfectly good like this. But, you know, just for the fun of it, I think I might add a few little dots of pink here and there. This probably put a different color in the, maybe a few little dots like that. And then maybe a few like this. You can go around the circle of the heart if you wanted to. But there we go. So here we have it. We finished our first Friendship Seed Valentine Day card. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button. You can also visit me on Instagram at Heidi's Art Studio. Until next time, have fun creating.